Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use a keyboard on the Switch Lite. Enjoy. So to do this, all you need are three things: keyboard, adapter, USB-C to USB-A, and your switch. Now I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so to do this, all we're going to do is grab the adapter and plug it into there. Get your keyboard, plug that into the adapter, and there we go, keyboard lights up. That should work straight away. Now I'll just get into something where I can rename, and I'll show you that the keyboard will work. Here we go. Hey guys. So this would be handy for a setup if you're playing Minecraft, or if you're trying to rename Pokemon, or just any game with chat. And for a bonus, I'm going to show you how to plug a dongle in and use wired controller. So this is just that ordinary PC USB hub. Just going to plug that one into there. I'm going to plug your keyboard into that. And look, still works. And then I'm going to get a wired controller. And I'm going to plug that into here. And then this should just work straight away. So let's go to courses. And once it loads, I love that theme song. And there we go. Let's just play the first one I can click on. No, I don't want to see notifications. I just want to play. Yes, let's play. Come on. Come on. Hey, there we go. Oh no. I suck. I blame the wire. I was hiding the screen. Oh, that was awesome. Shit. There you go, guys. Leave a comment in the description below if you want me to plug anything else into this. We'll try something new out. And I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find the USB hubs and the adapter. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.